Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sayantani. Let's face it, we all struggle when it comes to wear sari. Sometimes wearing it wrong way can make you look unflattering. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to drape your sari like a ghagra or lehenga. And if you join me by subscribing my channel, then you will never miss my upcoming video where I will show you how to drape sari like a dress. And there are more to come. So keep on watching as I show you guys. You're gonna need a matching petticoat underneath and try to wear a blouse which complement your sari, or in this case saris. I'm gonna use two saris today. One is light yellow Dhakai Jamdani sari and the other one is light pink Tat sari. They are both cotton and they need a lot of ironing. You can do the same thing with synthetic saris. That would be easier to handle, I guess. You can tack your sari directly in the petticoat. Just tack it while folding. Or just pleat them, iron them and secure them with safety pins, as I did here. The only reason is I am using Dhakai Jamdani sari, which is cotton, and it does not look good if it's not neatly pressed. This technique is especially useful if you wear the same sari in same way next time, and it will definitely save your time. I'm just gonna tack the whole sari as neatly as possible. Then I'm gonna take this pink sari, which I mentioned before. You can either neatly pleat your sari and secure them with a safety pin, or you can just do it beforehand and store it that way for reuse. I'm gonna drape the pallu as long as possible. That will give the impression that you are taller, if that makes sense. Then secure the pallu with your blouse. Now take your sari around your waist and measure where you want to start your pleats from. These pleats got to be perfect. It's a good idea to pleat and iron your sari beforehand, or very neatly pleat them and make sure the folds are uniform. I'm gonna leave a few inches at the end. This is not the usual way to do, but I do that anyway to get that wavy pleats I want. So I'm gonna pleat the other end as neatly as possible and tag them in front side. This way you will get this dhoti like wave in the side and also a little hint of the different color, in this case yellow. There is no rule to it. If you want to do it differently, then perfectly fine. To make it look even better, I'm gonna put this belt on. This one is handmade by me for one of my dresses I made before. You can also wear silver or gold chain on your waist. you can just leave as it is, nothing wrong in that. Once that's done, it will look amazing and surely a head turner. Just a quick reminder, if you really wanna see how I drape my sari like a dress, then stay tuned. I'm gonna show you in my next video. Hope you really liked this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and also stay tuned by clicking the bell icon below. Hope you guys really enjoyed it and hope to see you guys in my next brand new video. Till then, stay well. Bye.